Hi guys, welcome back to Cozy Home. Today I'm going to share this cleaning routine that I have been doing for a few weeks. I look back on it, I think I've always done it, but I never had called it a reset. So on the weekends, I usually just tidy up here and there. Never really did a big cleaning on my weekends. On Mondays, that's when I usually will do my full cleaning. Like sometimes I'll do a deep cleaning or just like a tidy up, and then throughout the week I'll finish up cleaning the rest of the major things like the bathroom, the floorings, and stuff like that, and the dusting. But I'm going to share you my reset that I have been doing on Mondays, and so far I really enjoying this. It makes it easy, quick, and my house looks tidy throughout the week. Sometimes I might even do it on Wednesday or Thursday right before the weekend. Sorry, not before the holidays. On my reset, the first thing I like to do is I like to go around the house and pick up all of the trash. I will go into the bathrooms, empty the trash cans. I will even get trash from the kitchen to on the surfaces, and I just go ahead and just take care of it all at once. My second thing I like to do is I like to pick up the floors. So if I see dirty clothes, I'll just end up throwing them in a dirty clothes basket near the steps because my laundry room is upstairs. So I throw all the dirty clothes over there, and then I'm going to put anything away that is on the floor. If I pick it up, I put it away right away. I'm not gonna hold on to it. I'm not gonna put it in a basket. I just go straight to where it needs to be. If there is no home for it, that's when I will put it to the side and figure out a home later on at the very end of my reset. Number 3 is to move big items. I will move chairs back to where they need to be. The coffee table, 'cause sometimes we just push it out of the way. I will move the chairs, the dining room chairs, back to where they need to be underneath the table. I will just move anything that is big items. I will put them back in their place. Also, sometimes I will do my bed. I will make my bed during this time. Number 4 is cleaning off the surfaces. I'm going to take all the items that don't belong there and put them away right away. And then I'm going to wipe down or dust off the surfaces with my all-purpose cleaner. I'll leave you guys a recipe down in the description and also on the screen. Number 5, I'm going to grab the laundry and do a load of laundry. By this time, I usually is on my second load of laundry or my first, it depending on how much laundry we had. I will end up doing a load of laundry, and then if there's any in the dryer, I will definitely at that moment fold the laundry and put them away because I'm terrible at leaving baskets of clean laundry around. If you're like me, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a comment below. Number 6, I'm hoping my battery doesn't die, is dishes. This is where I will go through and clean up the dishes. I should have already had grabbed up all the dishes around the house, and this is where I'll load the dishwasher, unload the dishwasher, and then after I get done with that, I'll actually start wiping down the cabinets and stoves and stuff like that to reset the kitchen. Number 7 is I'm going to sweep and mop the floors. Sometimes, to be honest, I will just sweep the floors or I will vacuum the floors and do maybe a spot clean here and there on the floors, because throughout the week I will do a floor day where I will do a deep cleaning of sweeping and mopping the floors. Number 8 is where I will put those items that I have no home for. I will find a place. If I still don't have a place, then I will get rid of it. I will donate it or throw it in the trash, depending on what it is, or recycle it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys did, please leave me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment below. Let me know if you guys do a reset in your home. And I hope you guys are having a beautiful and blessed day. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.